So I'm down the bottom now. I was just getting everything ready because it's really hot. I didn't want to put my bee suit all the way on straight away, but within a few minutes the bees discovered I'm here and wanted to say hello. Well, I've got a bit of a really good news. I'm getting quite a bit of that lately. I'm not used to that, but yeah, the other day, look at that. Oh, this honey's got to come off soon. But yeah, right, Thursday I had my environmental health inspection, because to sell the honey to the shops and stuff you have to register as a business and you have to be like environmentally health inspected to make sure your premises is suitable for what you're doing. Like I was like, I'm not very good at things like, you know, how would you say, anything that involves pens, papers, rules, regulations, you know. Like, I'm not very good at like I'm that dumb, you see. I can't even think of the word for it. I'm not very good at things, put it that way. So I was like panicking, you know, scared, nervous, really worried that it'd be really bad rubbish, because I'm pretty rubbish at stuff. And yeah, it went really well. I got 5-star rating, and she said like the way I'm doing everything, not to change anything that I'm doing the way I'm doing it, and make sure I like keep all my records and stuff, because I registered like over a year ago to be able to sell the honey at events and things and put it into the market in Northampton, and you know, like the shop, the Bee Friendly store and the cafe in Desborough and stuff. So I had to register as a business, and like they didn't inspect me, no fault of my own, they didn't inspect me for 9 months. But because it's classed as low risk, honey production is, because you're not cooking it, freezing it or anything. So I was, you know, I could sell to the shops and things like that. And then yeah, I had my inspection Thursday, passed, flying colours, 5-star review, so 5-star rating. So anyone who has Happybees Honey, you can be confident you're getting top quality product from some hangry bees. Despite being called Happybees Honey, at the minute the bees are cranky. But the ferals down there, look, they're just chilling outside, a lot of them. That's a no inspection hive, that's just a, you let bees in it and let them just leave them. Right, they swarm, they just don't swarm. It was the one that me and Owen rescued from the garden. One of the bees stung the guy. They'd had it in the garden about 3 years, 2 years. One of the bees stung the guy, one down the top of the head, and he passed out with anaphylaxis. He was quite lucky. He was in hospital for like a week or so, I think. So we went and rescued the hive from their garden and brought it down here, and that's where it's been ever since. No real plans to open it now. I was going to open it out this year and try and get them in a box and get them on in a hive, but no, didn't happen. So they're just as they were. I think they did swarm, but yeah. But anyway, I'm going to run through some of these down here. Everything was queen right and everything last time we looked. All the wasp traps are full again. Hopefully it's doing its job though. I forgot to bring wasp bait with me. Yeah, it is cooking hot. Hot in the bee yards. Anyway, we'll get on. There's some bricks not on the roofs. I'm sure I'll put bricks back on the roofs. Yeah. Right.